So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learning Deck. Today we are here to learn about a Python program, that is Python program to find the multiplication of two numbers using plus or minus operator. Basically we have to use while loop to make it simple. Usually we can easily write a program in Python to multiply any two number, but using plus or minus it is a unique one. Now proceed. Let's now proceed here. Okay, I have initially taken two variables earlier to make it fast. Then it is with one variable c equals 0. Then we will use while loop while n1 greater than 0. Since n1 is a positive integer, then n1 greater than 0, c we will assign the value of n2. Add it as many times as the number n1 is greater than 0. Means we will assign c equals n2, then we will decrease the number n1 by 1 minus 1. Okay, like then the program is over only. We will print it, then we will get the output. Print, we will print not n1, we will print c, which will we assign the value of n2, added each time the value of n1 when greater than 0. Let us take an example. Okay, we open the notepad. First of all, like first one, okay, let's talk about if we print it, then the value will be like enter first number, the second number 4. We will first have to edit n1 minus 1, then we will print the value n1, no c. Okay, we run it. Like if we enter first number 6, we enter first number, the answer is 54. Let's see the program is right or wrong. 54, correct. The program correct. So thank you for watching the video. Hope you like it. Like, subscribe and share. More videos will come regarding Python program and other class 10-12 syllabus. Okay, yep, bye.
Above the sea, and this story stays with me like a haunting melody. What